Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia and today I have another kind of get ready with me / Frozen makeup tutorial. I decided, hey, let's go ahead and do this right around the Christmas season. It's winter, let's get some Frozen frosty feelings in the air. So I am going to be using the Blue Blood, of course, because a Frozen look would be nothing without... My dog just fell off the couch. Are you okay, Callie? I love you. I'm excited to take a deep dive back into the Blue Blood palette for this look, and it's kind of going to be a get ready with me as well. I have other makeup items strewn about here. Basically, I've already got foundation on and I'm going to finish my look, and I'm baking right now also, as you can see. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into the Frozen makeup look tutorial / get ready with me. This palette is really so beautiful, and I am so glad that I ended up getting it. It has this huge mirror that's awesome and just so useful. I do wish that it would kind of stay up on its own better, but honestly, not a real complaint because I love it. All right, I have my Jefree Star eye brushes. I love, love, love. I have not used any other brushes for my eyes since I got these. They are so freaking awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put I'm Cold all over the lid. So I've been wanting to try the Third Love bra for a while now because all the YouTubers always talk about it, and really I've just been curious. Is this really as good as people say? Or are they just getting, because everyone that I've ever heard talk about Third Love is doing a sponsorship with them, and I'm not. And so I'm really excited to see, is this actually something to spend your money on or not? So I went ahead and I bought one, and I was like, okay, I took the quiz, I did what they told me. Let's see if this bra is actually what it, what people say it is. So I'm excited to try that out. Be sure to check out that video. That'll probably go up after this one. I feel like Elsa. I did I'm Cold on the lid. I did Blue Blood for the crease. And now I'm going to do Cullinan. I don't know what that is. Cullinan? C-U-L-L-I-N-A-N. Let me know if you know what that means. I could look it up, but I'm not going to. So somebody tell me. But now I'm gonna use that to kind of highlight. Ooh, because that's definitely a very Frozen looking color. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe away the debris. I kind of want to put ice tray on top of the lid just because it's a little bit sparkly, and I feel like for a Frozen makeup look, we really want to be all about the sparkly. So we're gonna just take ice tray and tap it on the lid because I don't want to put too much. Basically, I just want to give it that shimmer. Ooh, yes, queen. Now that I've wiped away all the debris, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. Oh, actually, oh God. Eyeliner is done. And okay, so for lashes, I actually bought this $10 lashes thing at Target. And yeah, they're all a little bit different. And I was like, oh, that's cool. So I ended up going ahead and getting them. So I'm gonna choose the one I think looks most like a Frozen look. Ooh, I almost think, okay, it's between two. I'm gonna go with these ones because I feel like this screams Frozen look. I don't know why, but I do. So we'll see once they're on. My choice for lips today is kind of iffy. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. I hope I do. So this was from the Halloween, mystery box from Jefree Star. It's the glazed ammunition lippy. It's like a goldish yellow, and it's very sparkly, and I figured I would do this with the iridescent stuff on top to really give it a Frozen pop, And I figured, I don't think the yellow really shows up too much, the yellowish gold. I think it's more that it's sparkly. And so that's what I'm kind of going for with it, because I almost thought about doing a red lip, and then I was like, well, blue and red almost screams 4th of July, not really Christmas, like especially, I don't know, just as a makeup look. So I thought about doing a green lip, but the only green I have is like an army green, and that just would not be a good look with this, I don't think. So that's why I chose that. Let's glue on my lashes. I don't know if I've asked this before, but you guys, comment down below and let me know your favorite podcast, because I need some new podcasts. There's like some that I listen to all the time and they're great and everything, but I've just been needing some more. And I love podcasts of people that like I follow on YouTube or Instagram or something, but then I also love podcasts by, or if you guys have a podcast and you watch my stuff, like comment it below and I'll listen to it for sure. I'm always needing more podcasts to listen to, but I love true crime podcasts. I love anything scary, really, that's like entertaining scary, not like sad. I don't like sad. If your podcast is sad or you listen to sad podcasts, I don't understand why you would do that. Like, why would you want to listen to something that's gonna make you cry? Because there's this one new podcast that I keep seeing on Spotify that keeps popping up and telling me like, hey, you'd like this. And it's about, I don't know if it's just about dogs or if it's just about animals in general that have saved people's lives or like done super awesome things. And I love animals, but that's the thing is like, when I hear heartwarming stories like that, it makes me cry. So even stuff like that I can't listen to because I'll just start crying. And I don't care to cry. I honestly don't care to watch things or listen to things that are gonna make me cry. I don't like crying because I feel like whenever I do cry, like that's enough. Like just crying in general, I'm like, okay, I've cried. I don't want to do it again. Like unless I absolutely have to. So why would I bring it upon myself? Because I had this book when I was a kid. I think it was like, you know, Scholastic Bowl. Do you remember? Yeah, I think it was Scholastic Bowl, not Scholastic Bowl. Do you remember when they would have like book fairs in school? If you guys are like around my age, I think most schools did that, but we had like book fairs, and I remember there was this book about like animals, and it was all about different stories where animals saved their humans or humans in general. And there was one about a dolphin saving a person. There was one about a dog saving his owner from like a burning fire. And I couldn't, like, it just made my heart hurt because all I could think was, we can never repay them. Like, animals are so precious and beautiful and they have hearts of gold. And then there's us, like humans. We're so flawed and we're just not them. Our hearts are tainted by living, I don't know, and they just don't have that. Dogs and dolphins and cats, I don't know about cats, but dogs and dolphins, they are what truly matter in this world, and they're the good ones. They're the MVPs of the entire world, the whole planet, because yeah, just reading about them saving humans, I was like, we don't deserve you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my Hoola bronzer that I do every single time I put on makeup. It does not take that much for me at night to just be like ready to go skydiving. Like if you get me at the right time of night with enough caffeine in me and maybe a little alcohol, like I am down for whatever. Which is just funny because it goes to show like caffeine really is a drug. Like it does change, not your personality, but it does though. It kind of, it doesn't change it, it just enhances it, which I mean, that's what some other drugs do too. So it's like, it's just super weird that it is a drug, but we treat it like it's not. It's just funny and a little frightening. And I drink it every day, so yeah. Can you imagine if they ever like outlawed caffeine like they did alcohol? They never could. They never could. That's something that like I say what if, but like they never could. It would never fly with anyone. Nobody would ever pass that bill because everybody drinks coffee. Ooh, what's your guys' favorite holiday like wintertime beverage, whether it's alcohol or non-alcoholic? Let's do highlight with my Jefree Star, my new go-to. It is the Jefree Star Supreme Frost Frozen Peach. I do love this stuff because this will actually match my lips hopefully pretty well. Oh my God. so freaking pretty, you guys. I love this stuff. I do wish that the highlighter came with a mirror. Do you guys remember that random movie Disturbia that Shia LaBeouf was in? Whenever I think about that movie, like I remember watching it on the freaking family computer when I was in school. Remember when everyone had a family computer? Oh, and they were huge and it was hilarious. Good times of my childhood. But yeah, I remember him being in that movie, and I always thought it was a little bit weird because I feel like he never really talked about it after that. I feel so shiny and I love it. I'm living for it. I'm always living for everything. Ignore me. Oh my gosh. My teeth are, I need to do a teeth whitening thing. Do you ever look close up and you're like, oh God, is that the color of my teeth? This is iconic. I was not expecting it to look like this. Okay, come through. I feel like a present. I love this lip color. Oh my goodness. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a closer up look at it. It looks so pretty. I love it. All right, you guys, so I guess that's it for my get ready with me because I am done. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know other stuff you'd like to see in the comments below, whether it's makeup, fashion, creepy, spooky content, whatever your heart desires. Let me know about it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.